Hi, in this video, we are going to see something new. Have you heard about any of the website hosting services? If not, let me introduce you towards that. If yes, I think this can be one of the useful video for you. Let's get into that. A hosting service is a platform that provides the infrastructure and the resources necessary for the individuals or business purposes to publish their websites or web applications on the internet. Here are few of the aspects that you may want to consider when evaluating a hosting service. They are reliability and uptime, performance and speed, features and resources, customer support, security, pricing, user-friendliness, reviews and reputation, which is very much important. Remember that you have to thoroughly compare and research about the multiple hosting services and find the best one. Based on my research and comparison, I have found a website which is called ULTAHOST, and I think it has also the option to compare different hosting services with the ULTAHOST. So let's see what their features and what all we can gain from them. Let's get into the video. Yes, this is the website of ULTAHOST. I think it has a very powerful and cheap web hosting platform, which is actually also considered as the best shared hosting. You can also share it with your friend or someone if you want to present your own portfolio websites or other websites, like whatever it is related to business or your personal. You can be able to maybe have it in the shared version as well. So I think it is extremely fast, secure and user-friendly, and also you will get up to a 20x faster load times with unlimited bandwidth. As I told earlier, if you want to compare with other things, so here we have the comparison of best other platforms for hosting. So let's get into the HostGator. Let's compare it with ULTAHOST. So here you can be able to compare the price and then the features that is working out very best in both the sites, and check their performances, security, flexibility, and workflow and support service they provide. Here, I think you have one more thing that you can maybe add upon in your current list, because maybe we might be having in any other platform, our domain will be in any other platforms. So if you want to change from there to here, you can use this feature, which is called, you can purchase the hosting plan, and next is you can submit a migration request, and also they'll help you to move your website to the ULTAHOST for free. If you have any questions related to it, here are a FAQ section that you can get up to. And then I think if you want to know more about it, you have the solutions, hosting services, and the domains, and the most popular things, and out of all, you have tutorials as well to learn about it. So apart from this, here are some of the base plans that you can look up to. I think it's a very good going version. So you can maybe purchase this, and VPS Basic, Power Plus, and Ulta 100 Xeon. It has a free migration. If you want to transfer your existing server to ULTAHOST, and as I told, it's simple and it's very free. There's no additional charges, and you can directly install your OS here. And SSDs, your website caching and your database queries are faster to 100% around. And you can increase the traffic and sales. Money back guarantees there, guaranteed dedicated resources, perfect uptime, and I think it has been also managed for WordPress as well. So if you have created your website in WordPress, like yes, of course, there's a guaranteed success of converting the WordPress website into a ULTAHOST one. And you can also look what people are saying about ULTAHOST and see your reviews, and try to compare it with everything and then choose the best one. We have seen the overall view of ULTAHOST, but let's see what is inside the dashboard. So let's get into that. Let's click on the client area. Client area, you can register here. You can log in from here or sign up from here. If I click on this, it will be taking to my dashboard. So I have the support pin for the verification purposes. And in the dashboard, you can be able to see the services, domains, and unpaid voices and tickets. I've just started using it. And you can manage it from here. You can maybe, if you want to transfer a domain, you can do it from here. And it has the services of maybe if you want to provide, get a new service or order a new service, you can do it from here. And if you want to set up the billings, like you have the option to change it to the INR and do the billing. You can do it for any other countries as well. And you have the support services of opening tickets, acknowledgements, announcements, everything. It will be available here. Coming to the website and security, there are SSL certificate, website backup. Backup is very much important when coming to a maybe online platform or a website which is always on trend, or you will be sharing it with everyone. Because of this only, we might need a to maybe to keep away ourselves from our website from the malware or practices. So you can choose your backup storage based on the size. So you have the website builder. This is very much important. So you can create your website from here as well. There are some starter packs, pro packs, and business packs are available. And you can choose the websites from here. So how you want to have e-commerce forms or templates, everything is available here. You can get into this and see how you can promote that as well. And then you have the best support services here, and then the affiliates and the store. So in the store, you can choose in what shared hosting you might want. So if that's a common and popular hosting services which are there for shared ones. So that is Linux, Windows, and Mac OS VPS or VTS can also work better. So if you want, WordPress hosting is also there, email hosting is there. So whatever you need to have, you can maybe have them for your website. Okay, this is the ULTAHOST affiliate program. If you want to maybe register for it, you can give all the details about you and then become an affiliate. So why should I become an affiliate? Do you have a website with relevant traffic to your products? Maybe it will help you to monetize your traffic and turn it into a profit. So for that, you can maybe continue. So from here, from your profile, you can be able to see the account details and management and the payment methods and the contacts, account security, email histories, and your profile, switch accounts, and change password and the security settings. So everything is available here. Maybe if you are interested in hosting your own platform, and maybe you can use the ULTAHOST to see like what are the updates and things that you can do. Purchase or shared hosting is the common thing that's been currently going on. Apart from that, you have other things like if you want it for your personal use or a business use, you can also do that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you on the next video. Till then, bye-bye.